Bilang isang citizen, sang-ayon po kayo sa teenage abortion at bakit po?
Okay, so before I answer your question, let me introduce myself first. So I am Rayan Giraldino, a student teacher here in the Ilocos National High School, major in English. So regarding your question, I do not agree with abortion. Why? Because abortion is never a solution if you do not want a baby. So if you do not want a baby or if you are not ready to have a baby, do not do that thing with your partner. So maybe the reason